Hey, how's it going, fam? In the wake of what's going on in the world, Texas Small Farmers and Ranchers, CBO, feels that this week's Tuesday Seeds should be dedicated to really leaning into controlling what we control. So please stay tuned. Now, over the last 50 years, but especially over the last 15 to 20 years, a lot has been going on to put us in position on where we are today here in America, as well as the world. Unfortunately, because we live in a place such as America where we enjoy a lot of the freedoms that many other places don't enjoy, it's very easy for us to be sleeping at the wheel, which many of us have been, and not really focusing on what's really going on. Kind of what I'm getting at, y'all, is that regardless of what you think about this election, and I know there's plenty of strong opinions, the writing has been on the wall for years about some of the freedoms that we enjoy, and the fact that many of them are being positioned to be taken away. At the forefront of that is food and water. The importance of learning how to farm with a shovel and to build your soil health, and grow healthy, natural food the way our forefathers did is more important than ever. And hopefully, if you haven't understood that before, that you're really understanding it now, and you're going to start picking up what we are putting down as an organization when it comes to regenerative ag practices. So hopefully you're starting to really lean forward. A new day is here, y'all. So our hope is that you control what you control. Remember, be the exception.